Good morning students, welcome to the online class of 8th standard. Today we are going to see lesson number 7 variation. In the previous standard we have learned about the direct proportion and inverse proportion. This year also we see variation, direct variation and inverse variation. So first, direct variation. The statement of x and y are in the same proportion can be written as a x and y in a direct variation, or there is a direct variation between x and y. Using the mathematical symbol can be written as x direct variation with y. This symbol is called alpha, is a Greek letter. X and y direct variation is written in the form of equation x is equal to ky, where k is a constant. So how to write x is equal to ky, or x upon y is equal to k. Is the equation form a direct variation, k is the constant variation. Look this, area of circle is directly proportional to the square of its radius. So what is the area of square? A denoted by a and radius r. So area of circle is directly proportional with square of radius. So this alpha letter is used. Pressure of liquid P varies directly as the depth of the liquid. So pressure of liquid P and depth. So pressure of liquid is varies directly as the liquid depth of the liquid. So P directly proportional or varies of directly with D. Cost of groundnuts is directly proportional to its weight. If cost of 5 kilogram groundnuts is 450, then find the cost of 1 quintal groundnut. Cost of groundnut directly proportional to its weight. So let the cost of groundnut x and weight of groundnuts be y. It is given the x varies directly as a y. Look this, how to write x directly varies by, or x is equal to k and y. K is the constant. So x is equal to 450 and y is equal to 5. Cost of groundnuts x and weight of groundnuts y. So x is equal to 450, y is equal to 5. We will find k. So x is equal to ky. So x, what is the value of x? 450 is equal to 5k. So this 5 goes to left side, means division. 4 5 9s are 45 and remaining 0 means k, we get 90. Now equation of variation is x is equal to 90y, means we put the value of k 90y. If y is equal to 100, so x is equal to 90 into 100, means y की वैल्यू हमने उसमें ऐड कर दी. So we get the cost of 1 quintal groundnut is 9,000 rupees. So look, practice set 7.1. Circumference of a circle is directly proportional to its radius. Circumference of a circle is directly proportional to its radius. So what is the circumference of circle? C is directly proportional to radius, means C directly proportional to R. We get the answer. Consumption of petrol in a car and a distance traveled by that car are in a direct variation. So L direct variation with D. Look this, complete the following table. In previous standard we have learned in direct variation there is a division. So look, complete the following table considering that the cost of apples and their number are in a direct variation. So number of apples 1, cost 8, means 1 by 8. So here if we divide this both 4 and 32, so we get the answer 1 by 8. Now find out the such number here. So we get the 1 by 8. So here 7 8s are 56, means we get here also 1 by 8. Next here 12. So what is the answer? 12 8s are 96. Now here 160 means 20 8s are 1. If we divide this 20 and this 160, so we get the 1 by 8. Here also we get 1 by 8. 12 ones are 12, 12 eights are 96, 7 ones are 7, 7 eights are 56, and here 4 ones are 4, 4 eights are 32. So we get the 1 by 8 all here. So today we see practice set 7.1.